Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video you're going to see me do a dip powder manicure on my daughter, but we wanted to share a few things that we learned along the way when it came to encapsulating some stamped images. So I am starting out here with Beauty Big Bangs. I happened to had just received these for review, and I knew she was coming for a manicure with a black base. It was going to be black and hot pink was her request. It was for a special event. And after having received the powders and one of them was black, I thought we got to give it a try. So that's why we went ahead and turned this into a dip powder system manicure. And in the collection of the powders that I received, there is also somewhat of a hot pink. It was good enough for the manicure that we were going for. Now, so this is the other color. This one is the black one is number 14. This fuchsia color is number 6. So I'm doing the standard dip powder application right here. I prepped her nails with a dehydrator. Then we went with a base. And now we are doing the activator. And after this point, we're going to stop with the traditional application because then we're going to start with the art. So here we are starting. And the reason I am starting right away with a gel stamping polish on her thumbnail was because we knew we wanted a hot pink image here. I did not have a hot pink stamp that was going to go over that, and I knew it was not going to come out like this. So we knew this was going to be the process to begin with. Stamped with gel, go over with the She Modern Neon Shimmery powder. Then we brushed off the excess after it was cured. It cleaned really well with alcohol. But you'll always have to choose. Then we went over it with the base, no smearing whatsoever, and then we encapsulated it with the clear powder. So this was good. You have to apply the activator, buffed. So these are traditional steps. For your normal steps for a dip powder application, we're buffing. And that image remember that it is protected by the clear powder. Clean the excess powder, activator again, and finish with top coat. They do have a clear powder in the collection, which I was not aware of at the moment, so at that time, so I used somebody else's clear powder. This nail is done. So it is done with a glossy top coat from the same dip powder system. Now this nail right here, we knew we wanted black right on top of that pink. So I figured, okay, let's try just regular black polish. No, the base totally smeared it. Then we thought, let's try with a gel stamping black. We tried it again. We cured it. And that was going to be it for this. We didn't think we were going to need any powders, but nope. The dip powder system base, totally smeared it. So we started over. We figured, okay, let's do the same thing that we did for the thumb. Since we're going to use powders, let's stamp in white. Now, why did I stamp with white instead of black and then apply black powder? I don't know. We knew that's how it worked before, so we stamped it with the Born Pretty Store white gel polish, went right over it with now this pigment powder from She Modern did not have any shimmer, and these work even better because they don't contaminate the dip powders, the base colors as much. And yeah, we cured that nail with that white line. before cleaning it, but no problem. So this one was a success. This worked really awesome. So the powders protect the stamped image from getting smeared by the base, whether it was the gel powder. Here again, not the gel powder, the gel stamping polish. So this one is encapsulated by the clear powder. And yeah, I forgot that I had to do activator before buffing. We were talking and chit-chatting. Oh my gosh, by this time we have been experimenting so much, but I managed to save it and finish it up with a glossy top coat. So those two nails are done. But we like the matte finish of the black powder so much. That velvety look so pretty that we figure, why don't we just continue with matte for the rest of the black nails? Well, at that point then, these nails after activator, that was the point where you would want to apply a gel top coat in matte to finish them. And then we did the paws, and only the paws at this point. So I stamped them with the gel polish, used the neon powder, and finished them with a gel top coat, which we only did a couple of the fingers in this hand, her left hand, in 3D, because it was so much time consuming from all the flash gearing on her right hand. We just left them flat, or not flat, but not, we didn't give them any dimension. But the paws, the pink paws, are in glossy gel top coat against the black matte finished. But the only way to get that matte finish on the powder is obviously it was to finish it with a gel top coat. Now for this one, after we applied the pink powder and cured, yeah, she's having fun there. We had a good time. I did not show you the rest of the steps that came after this, which was just cleaning up and then top coating the paw with gel top coat. So that is it, guys. This is what we learned when it came to encapsulating, what worked for not smearing. So powder was the secret. Yeah, definitely stamp with gel. Go over with a powder, or whether you want a different color or the same color as the stamped image, and then you should be safe to apply the base and encapsulate it. So that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching.